everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at a railway stock, but firstly want to start with the transportation ETF, IYT, because transports are close to an all-time high. Now, of course, we all know what's going on in the Middle East with transportation in and out. It's still a bit of a gray area, but I certainly think the transports could be a trade to keep an eye on over the next couple of weeks if we do get a new high here on IYT. We see IYT today with a nice pickup in volume and, again, a pivot really close to the highs. And so I would watch for IYT to break out above 83.30. Consider setting an alert at around 83.30 or just underneath and look for a move through and a close above coming on that level. And one of the areas of the transports is, of course, the railways. And if I bring in CP Rail, the Canadian Pacific Kansas City Limited, we have a huge bullish engulfing candlestick. And on the weekly chart, the rails are looking for a potential new all-time high as well. And look at this long base of consolidation, right? CP Rail has been going sideways since 2021. And you know what they say, the longer the base, the higher the space to the upside. And so definitely keep an eye on the transports and keep an eye on some of the railways like CP Rail and watch for some breakouts above all-time highs. And that's just one of many things that I'm watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. If that was helpful, click the website, StockMarketMentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.